Hi everybody, we're 2 weeks out from our big virtual open house here at Laser Life Bone Veins, and I just want to give everybody a little bit of a heads up on making sure that everybody RSVPs for the event, either through Facebook and then click on the event, or through Instagram, or click on the bio through Instagram, and that will direct you to the link. If you RSVP, then you are then entered to win 6 prizes that we're going to give away on November 20th, which is that Friday after the open house. So make sure you get signed up and we get your name and information. So if you do win some of those prizes, then we can contact you and make sure that you receive those. I also want to tell everybody about how this virtual open house is going to be ran. We want you make it easy on you as possible. So if you are interested in purchasing anything, you either are going to call the office at 636-397-4012, or you are going to instant message or DM us on our Facebook page or our Instagram page. You can also email Katie at rightvein.org, and you can submit your order through her email. And Katie is spelled Kati at rightvein.org. So also, if you want to purchase any products and you want to receive those that week, we are doing curbside pickup. So please feel free to call. Purchase everything that you want. We'll put it in a bag. You call us from the parking lot. We'll run down your purchases and you'll be in and out of here in no time. If you have any other questions about the event, we're going to try to update you guys throughout this week, and we will give you as much information and direction on how this virtual open house is going to run. Feel free to call us here at the office at 636-397-4012 if you have any questions at all. Make sure you RSVP for the event and log in on the 16th, and we're going to be doing a Facebook Live in the morning, and then we're going to have all kinds of videos running all day to kind of help you make a decision on what you'd like to purchase for that open house. It's going to run from the 16th to the 20th, and then we'll do all our winners on that 20th. You need to RSVP by 5 o'clock on the 16th to be able to enter to win any of the contest prizes. So we're looking forward to it. 2 weeks out. Join us on our Facebook Live on that 16th, and then throughout that week till the 20th, we're running all those specials. So we look forward to hearing from everybody. Thanks.